masyado lang ako malapit.
Sided drain or puno.
Okay lang.
Siguro.
Yun naman pala eh.
Saan may battery niya?
Okay.
Wala pa.
So,
Lalabas pag-drain.
these are the corner units. Okay, this is an executive studio. Okay? It's around 37.5 square meters and it has a 2.8 square meter balcony. Ngayon, may model unit tayo dito sa Cebu, tsaka similar dito sa mga model units natin sa Manila. Okay? Check mo ba? Then we have another model. Okay? There's another type. This is the executive studio, 36 square meters. So yung isa, okay, let's start it. May executive studio tayo corner na 37 square meters. Meron tayong semi-gitna. Ito yung pinaka-common unit natin, executive studio, 3.6 square meters. Then we have the one-bedroom unit. Ito yung sa gitna-gitna. Okay, running at 26.4 square meters.
46.
Yes.
So 10
Meron tayong 48 square meters sa corner, on each corner. Tapos, yung pinakadulo natin is actually an executive studio also. Medyo may pagkabaliit na balcony lang siya. Okay, now if you're gonna combine units, 2 units, you can actually come up with the 2 bedrooms. This is another section. Marami siyang option, modular siya. This will be the main lobby, studio unit, 1-bedroom unit, sleeping area or sleeping den. Tapos meron tayong wellness center. Kasi as you know, Cebu is now a destination for retirement of the Japanese. It is for this reason actually that out of the 4 towers, sold out yung 3 towers. Nabili na po ng mga hapon. Yes. Isang tower na lang pinagtutulungan natin ngayon. Meron din siyang tea room. In fact, magkakaroon siya ng Japanese garden, may koi pan pa daw.
Then park siya.
Our amenity deck has an infinity pool. So, isipin niyo from the amenity deck, kita-kita mo the rest of the province. And
Sobra.
may Japanese garden.